Welcome to OFFEO. In this tutorial, we will be recreating Wendy's National Roast Day advertisement on TikTok. There are some tips we can learn from this video to create a powerful video ad. 1. Eye-catching design. Wendy's uses fire elements and a red background throughout the video, which is the center of attention in the video. The fire elements were brilliantly used in this ad. There is a duo-pronged advantage in using them. 1. The brand association to Wendy's. 2. It helps to relate back to the event, National Roast Day, and also better express the content of the video. Study your brand colors and find similar ways to complement effects into your advertisements. 2. Text layout. The opening text is arranged in a neat layout and with a clear visual hierarchy. The main message is highlighted with bolded text. The text entrance animation also helps to lead the viewer's eyes and read the message sequentially. Let's proceed to replicate this video ad in OFFEO. We will use this design to create a testimonial video. Let's begin with an empty canvas and select Stories format. Before we begin, let's upload the images of customers' testimonials from different social media platforms. Change the duration of this scene to 20 seconds. Change our background to a bright red color. Navigate to the Graphics tab, select Effects, look for the Fire category. Choose one that you like. Place the fire element at the bottom of our canvas. Let's duplicate it. Resize and overlap them to create a dynamic look with some depth. Now you are done with the background. Let's separate the tutorial into 3 parts. First, creating the opening text. Second, then the content. For the last part, the ending. Part 1, the opening. Insert our opening text. Insert the text in separate layers so that we have more control over them. For our subheadings, add text background to them. Add roundness to it. Duplicate it for the other subheadings text. Resize the text box if needed. For the main title, bold the text and change it to full uppercase. This adds emphasis on the main title. We'll need to add 2 white lines. Navigate to the Graphics tab and select Lines. Let's change its color to white. Duplicate it and drag it to the bottom of our main title. Let's add animation to our elements now. We will be using zoom in for the subheadings. Note that I am using zoom in from top for the first line, zoom in from center for the second line, and a zoom in from bottom for the third line. Here's a preview of how it looks. For the main title, we will be using slide in from bottom to all the layers. For the white lines, let's use zoom in from center. Let's open up our timeline and adjust the entrance timing of our text layers. Reduce our opening layer's duration to 3 seconds. Staggered them sequentially for the best result. Alright. We are done with the opening. Let's proceed to the second part of the tutorial, the content. Navigate to the Graphics tab, select Effects, and find the Fire. We will be using the fire elements here for transitions. Place it on top of our opening text layers. In the timeline, drag it to the end of our opening frame layers. Insert our images after the opening text. Crop the images if it's needed. Add the push-in from small animation to the first testimonial and push-in from big for the second testimonial. Select zoom out to center for the exit animation. Stagger the entrance timing and reduce the layer duration to 4 seconds. Add another fire graphic for the transition. Similarly, drag it towards the end of our image layers in the timeline. Repeat these steps and insert more testimonials into our video. Here's the tip: duplicate the image layers and use the Replace Image tool to quicken the process. For the final part of our tutorial, the ending, the same treatment used in the opening subheadings will be used for our closing text. Insert a new text layer. Add a text background to it. Duplicate and insert the text individually. Align the text layer to the left. Let's use the entrance animation, push in, from small, for this text. And the final step, choose a nice soundtrack for the video and you're done. We hope this tutorial can give you some inspiration in your next video creation in OFFEO. Till next time.